Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. I am Moulovi Dr.Sheikh Abdul Hannan speaking. Today my lecture upon the topic called Holy Quran is 100% divine messages from Almighty Allah, the creator of the universe. The first episode was ended with the discussion like the ediction of the Holy Quran during the third Caliph Hazrat Usman Rajallahu Anhu. So there I wanted to mention that when it was decided that Quran will be edited finally and properly for the whole mankind of the world, that time all the Hafiz were got together, all the scripts that were written on different type of things like leaves, papers, stone, etc., as well, etc. So during the period of, I said earlier, Usman Rajallahu Ta'ala Anhu, so the scripts and the memorization of the Holy Quran of the hearts of the Hafiz were came close together and found there was nothing irregularity and mistakes between the two things, like the recitation of the Quran inside the heart of the Hafiz and the scripts of those things. So that time it was finally decided that Quran will be edited in one book. Later on we see that during 680 to 750, that is this 115 years, that time the golden age of the Islamic rule was going on upon the whole world. So during that Umayyad Khilafat, the Quran was completely edited and printed in a paper with a book that we see presently, and this book will be continuing till the resurrection of the world. This is the Holy Quran, and to add that there were no little mistakes, there's no little changing of the any kinds of punctuation like Jair, Jabur, Pesh, Tanbir, Tanbin, etc., etc. So when it was edited and finally printed, from then towards the time of the present until the resurrection, there will be no changing, no irregularities found. Quran has been revealed to Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and still until the resurrection it will be as like as before. This is the edition of the Holy Quran. So nothing will be confusion may arise regarding the edition, regarding the purity and authentication of the Holy Quran. However, next 980 to 1280, during the Abbasiyya Khilafat, the letters size as well as the brightness of the Holy Quran was more strengthened, but the authentication and the roots of the main thing was unchanged. In the Holy Quran we see what? Somewhere the Holy Quran has been revealed directly from Almighty Allah. Allah has mentioned there. Allah said in the Holy Quran, certainly I have revealed the Holy Quran and I will be its preserver. Chapter 15, verse 9. Somebody says that Muhammad SAW repeated something from the Bible, but it is miraculous that since Muhammad SAW was totally illiterate and the followers around him were also illiterate, they never read any kinds of book, particularly Bible or Jobur or Torah, why it was possible for him to copy Bible. It's wrong. In some places, we see some important verses like, he stared towards a blind person and he gave her attention to another rich person. Chapter Abasa, ayat number 1. Later on, the verse is that, but you have neglected that blind person. Chapter Abasa, verse number 10. Comment may be like this. If Muhammad wrote Holy Quran by himself, then did he mention his own mistake like this? Because he, for some reason, he did not give attention to a blind person who was very ordinary people, but he gave his attention to a rich and high classes people. This was his mistake. Of course, maybe mistake. He was not an angel. Maybe mistake, but mistake no person could be able to mention in the sphere of the peoples. So Quran was not made by himself. It was made and prepared by the Holy, by the Almighty Allah of the world. Next we see Muhammad Sallallahu in one night he drank some honey in the house of his wife Zainab.